Did you know that nearly 43% of websites are powered by WordPress? This popularity makes it a prime target for cybercriminals. Think about it. If you were a burglar, would you target a random house or the most popular one on the block? Cybersecurity threats are becoming increasingly common. WordPress sites, especially those with lax security measures, are often low-hanging fruit for these attackers. The consequences can be dire stolen customer data, defaced websites, and even complete site takeovers. One particularly sobering statistic reveals that over 90,000 WordPress sites are hacked every single day. The sheer scale of this problem highlights the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures for anyone running a WordPress site. Think of your WordPress site like a car. Regular maintenance, like oil changes and tire rotations, keeps it running smoothly and prevents major issues down the road. Similarly, keeping your WordPress core, plugins, and themes updated is crucial for optimal performance and security. Updates often include security patches that address newly discovered vulnerabilities. When you neglect updates, you're essentially leaving your site vulnerable to attacks that exploit these known weaknesses. Cybercriminals are always on the lookout for outdated websites, as they present easy targets for their malicious activities. Updating your WordPress site is a straightforward process. Always back up your site before initiating any updates, just in case something goes wrong. By staying current with the latest versions of WordPress and its components, you're effectively fortifying your site against a constantly evolving threat landscape. Imagine your password is the key to your digital kingdom. A weak, easily guessable password is like leaving your front door wide open, inviting anyone to stroll in and take what they please. On the other hand, a strong, unique password acts as a sturdy lock, deterring even the most determined intruder. A more effective approach is to use a passphrase, a series of words that are easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Aim for a passphrase that is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information, such as your birth date or pet's name, in your passwords, as these can be easily guessed through social engineering tactics. Additionally, refrain from using the same password across multiple accounts. By creating strong, unique passwords for all your WordPress accounts, you're significantly reducing the risk of cybercriminals gaining entry to your site and wreaking havoc. Section 4. Two-factor authentication. Double the protection. Let's say someone manages to crack your password, perhaps through brute force attacks or by obtaining it through phishing schemes. This is where two-factor authentication, or 2FA, steps in as an additional layer of protection. Think of 2FA as a second lock on your door. Even if someone has the key, which is your password, they still need a second credential to gain entry. This second factor typically comes in the form of a one-time code sent to your smartphone or email address, or through an authentication app. By enabling 2FA on your WordPress site, you're essentially requiring anyone attempting to log in to provide two forms of identification. Enabling 2FA is usually a simple process, often involving scanning a QR code with your smartphone or installing an authentication plugin. Section 5. Security plugins, your trusty sideguards. Imagine having a team of vigilant guards patrolling your website 24/7, constantly on the lookout for suspicious activity and ready to thwart any potential threats. That's essentially what security plugins do for your WordPress site. These powerful tools act as your first line of defense, providing an extra layer of protection against a wide range of cyber attacks. Some popular options include Wordpress, which is a comprehensive security plugin that includes a firewall, malware scanner, and login security features. Another popular choice is Cybersecurity, which offers website monitoring, malware removal, and a web application firewall. iThemes. Security is another option that provides various security measures, including brute force attack protection, two-factor authentication, and file change detection. When choosing a security plugin, it's crucial to select one that aligns with your website's specific needs and budget. Once you've installed a security plugin, take the time to configure it properly and familiarize yourself with its features. By leveraging the power of security plugins, you're adding a robust layer of protection to your WordPress site, deterring potential attackers and safeguarding your valuable data. Section 6. Backups, your safety net. Imagine this. Despite your best efforts to secure your WordPress site, a sophisticated cyber attack manages to penetrate your defenses, compromising your data, or even taking down your entire website. This is where the importance of regular backups becomes abundantly clear. Think of backups as an insurance policy for your website. In the unfortunate event of a successful cyber attack, a recent backup allows you to restore your website to its previous state, minimizing downtime and data loss. Without backups, you risk losing everything: your content, your design, and potentially even your entire online presence. Many hosting providers offer automated backup solutions, which take care of the process for you. Alternatively, you can use backup plugins, which provide more control over the backup frequency and storage location. Whichever method you choose, ensure that your backups are stored securely, preferably in a different location from your website's server. By implementing a robust backup strategy, you're essentially creating a safety net for your website, ensuring that you can recover quickly and efficiently from even the most devastating cyber attacks. Section 7. Be proactive, stay secure. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity is not a luxury, but a necessity. Protecting your WordPress site requires a proactive, multifaceted approach. From regularly updating your core software and plugins to implementing strong passwords and two-factor authentication, each step plays a crucial role in fortifying your website's defenses. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, seeking new vulnerabilities to exploit. Therefore, it's essential to stay informed about the latest threats and security best practices. By embracing a proactive security mindset and implementing the strategies outlined in this masterclass, you're taking a significant step towards safeguarding your WordPress site from the ever-present threat of cyber attacks.